Tenaris seeks to stand out and to add value and to be distinctive.
We make pipes. That's the core of Tenaris. We're making pipes.
You can get a lot of opportunities to grow.
It's so international.
It is an opportunity for you to understand the reality of different countries.
They take pride in you.
The office environment is very friendly.
It's a global company. It's very, very big.
I started in a small department, and quickly they put me in a role where I was a team leader.
Tenaris is Tenaris.
Well, my first approach to Tenaris is because they went to my university in Mexico.
Well, the school I went to, we had a career fair.
And I just applied in our HR site.
Tenaris announced in the paper that it was moving some of the offices to Uruguay.
When I showed up at Tenaris' tent, they were more than willing to interact with me.
And it was starting a whole recruitment process.
And after those interviews, I had the opportunity for an internship.
We had to pass some tests online. After that, I received the invitation to come to the assessment.
Like a kind of groupal evaluation with some peers that are aspiring for the same position as you.
It was very intense, one full day of different activities.
It's a learning process, I think.
It was very hard. It was very competitive.
Out of the 50 people, they chose only 2, and I'm one of them.
I was chosen for this job.
In the end, I was lucky to get hired.
This is also like being in a university.
The people that is teaching are not teachers, but experienced workers.
The graduation is not automatic. You have to pass exams, you have to complete the curricula.
Tenaris has given me a lot of challenges.
What is your problem when you are just like looking for a job? What should I do? How should I do it? Can I do it?
The Global Trainee Program is a 2-year program.
It's a combination between e-learnings and on-job training,
where you can receive training and some international experience and even a rotation.
If you are in a position that you can think you can do better in another position, then you have an opportunity to rotate.
The GTP is an opportunity for the trainee to know and feel our industrial environment.
I always like to work in a manufacturing company like this, but this is more than what I thought.
And for us it's very important too, because GTs help us in our continuous improvement and to achieve our main goals in our project.
I have to spend a lot of time there, watching the process, watching the movements of the pipes, talking to the operators, supervisors.
I think that's the rich part of when you're having contact with the people that are there for a long time. They have something that we don't, that's experience.
I have the opportunity to work in the core of the production process. For an engineer, it's very exciting.
It is flexible and gives a lot of opportunities for those who take opportunities in the right time.
Tenaris offers full package.
The GTP for me, it's the first milestone in what will be a successful career, I am sure.
During the GTP, you receive one thing called Tenaris University Induction Camp,
where Tenaris brings all of its graduate trainees from around the world together.
Understanding how their culture is, different traditions that they have.
Where you go 1 month to Argentina with a group of GTs all around the world.
This is the first fundamental training we are having.
Having a lot of fun.
A lot of knowledge, which is very important for my progress.
We can improve our daily work and learn from others.
We are all speaking in different languages, but here we try to speak in one language. It's language of Tenaris.
Also in the trip, what is interesting is meeting with professionals, with directors.
All the top management is looking at you, how you perform.
Yeah, so it's a whole world of experience and it's really fulfilling.
Being just one person in a company of 25,000 plus, I feel like Tenaris really cares about me and makes me feel like I'm needed.
I wanted to join Tenaris even before I got in.
Being in this program, I was supposed to get challenges. So I would go and get myself prepared for the challenges of the future and for the next project.
Tenaris supports me, they trust me, they believe in me. So I'm going to give them all the support and trust and belief I can.
You're going to be pushed to your limits, but I wanted it. Push me to my limits, make me learn more.
If you work passionately in something that you really like, you'll find your place in Tenaris.
If you're ready to face challenges, if you're ready to learn new things and meet new people, go to new places, you should come to Tenaris.
Tenaris can give you perspective. This is what our generation is looking for.
I feel like I'm a part of the company actually, not just another number.